Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see if the Poco C75 supports reverse charging or not. Now to check if the Poco C75 supports reverse charging or not, just connect one end of a data cable to the Poco C75 and connect the other end to the smartphone you want to charge. Now currently, as both of these smartphones have a USB Type-C port, we will use a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. Now from here, just connect one end of the cable to the Poco C75, just like that. Now just connect the other end to the smartphone you want to charge. Now as you can see, as I connected the charger to the smartphone started charging, which means the Poco C75 supports reverse charging. And this is how you can check if the Poco C75 supports reverse charging or not. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.